Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Ford F-150. Stock number is 17F825A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks, chrome bumper and grille, and then you also have chrome wheels. Those wheels are wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. Center console folded up, as you can see, is an additional third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Spray-in bed liner keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, climate control, and your four-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.